What's going on, Summer Lovin' family, and welcome to another Jeep install video. Before I begin, if you're new to this channel, my name is JP and I make videos about my Jeep and everything I've been doing to it. I also make some videos about my family and some of the adventures we go on, and now I'll also be making RV videos since we got an RV last year. So today's video is an install of some cargo packs, and I did a lot of research because now with the RV we're going to be towing the Jeep, and we're probably not going to be using the trailer that I've been building like we had planned, and we probably might end up selling it. So I'm trying to organize the back of the Jeep so that way we can store as much gear as possible, so that way when we're traveling with the RV and we get somewhere, we can take some day trips and overnight trips using the Jeep. So I did a lot of research and found this company called XG CArgo. So got these triangle and kind of like saddlebags that go in the dead space by the roll bar. One of the concerns I had initially when I was looking for these is that some other saddlebags that go in this area, I guess I was worried about it being like the bag would droop, it would like the bag would be squishy, like it wouldn't hold its form, and the more stuff you put in it, I guess the bag would lose its shape and it would just be all over the place. The one thing that I really liked about this is that it comes with an exoskeleton to hold the bag in place, and there's also actually, this bag itself is hard, so it's got a stiffener inside so that way it maintains the shape. So yeah, so I'm pretty so far impressed with it. We're gonna get to installing it. We're gonna install both sides. We'll do a quick how-to on one side and then we'll just repeat it on the other side. But before we begin, let's go take a look what comes in the box and how the bags look. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so the XG CArgo comes nicely boxed up, and comes in, both of them were in this plastic wrap that I took out. You get your two bags. Comes with the instruction kit, nice color. It's actually really simple, and it comes with the hardware that you'll need for the bottom attachment here, and then these are and then this is the exoskeleton. So this is the metal system that will hold the bag in place. So that's how we're going to attach it. You are going to have to use your roll cage bolt. So you're going to take the bolt out, place this in position, and then reuse the bolt. Other than that, I really like the feel of this bag. It's very heavy duty quarter nylon. Just to begin on the outside, so how it attaches to the exoskeleton is these Velcro flaps here. So you have it at the top, and you have two right here on the side. So this is obviously for the passenger side. Looking at it, you have a little external pocket out here which you can keep a little things in. It's actually really deep, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. It does have some MOLLE webbing on the outside here, and then this fully opens, and then inside you have a bunch of storage options. So you have a really deep pocket right here. You have a bunch of individual pockets if you want to put some tools in here, and then you have a big little mesh area here. You also have a clip, so if you want to put anything in here, you can clip it up there to keep it hanging. And here you can actually see, looks like a felt covered board that is actually the stiffener that's on the inside. So that's what I really liked about this, is that it keeps its shape. Yeah, and then it comes with a carry handle. I guess you could take this out if you wanted to and carry it along. I don't think I'd ever really do that. You have a back pocket out on here. That would be on the outside, I guess, but if you had the top off, you'd be able to easily access that. It also has access to the plastic stiffener that's in here if you wanted to take that out. So these are the clip straps which will wrap around your roll bar. And that's about it. And a nice little outside pocket here also, I guess if you wanted to have something there, access it if you had soft top or the top off. Yeah, so overall I got to give this like I don't think you could make this any better. I think this is like a 10 out of 10. As far as quality and construction, we'll see how it holds up, but yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So I'm actually pretty happy so far that I went ahead and got this. So I'm gonna quickly do the install, walk through that. It should probably take maybe a couple of minutes. We'll do both sides, and then we'll do a quick recap. Alright, so you gotta unzip this and undo your Velcro up here. So right here is that 13 mil bolt, and then you can also prep by lifting this up. So basically, real quick, this is just going to go around there, this is going to go there. So that's the position. Alright, so we're going to take this bolt out. So just line up the hole in the bolt again, and just pop that back in. Alright, zip that back up. And now for the bottom, it comes with the clasp bar. You got a washer and then a nut. Alright, so this is a 17 mil. Just going to tighten it so it's equal. I'm going to leave it a little loose for now. I'm going to place the bag in position and test the fit. Got the bag. Do the Velcro. This would definitely probably be easier without the top on. We'll see how it goes. Just going to loosen all the Velcros. Sweet. I'm going to tighten this down. And then the one other thing I want to mention is that I know people might say this is a really expensive you know, saddlebag system or for here, but this company actually took the time to rubber coat the areas where it meets your roll bar. So from about right here up until where the threads are, this is all rubber coated. The clamp bar is rubber coated, and up here that was also rubber coated. So it's just quality, so you don't have to worry about this scratching. This is bare metal over here, but it is powder coated, so I guess, you know, you can save a few bucks and not rubber coat this, but then when you tighten this down, you're going to be scratching your roll bar here. So to some people it doesn't matter, but I think that says something about the company and the quality of their product. So yeah, I don't see a problem. No issue with paying for quality like that. Alright, so I'm just tightening this down. And right there. And the other good thing I like is that this bag system doesn't block where I have my airline run for when I air up my tires. Alright, look at that. That's it. One side's installed. Let's install the other side and put some stuff in it. Alright. Alright, well, as you can see, that was a super easy install on the on my Jeep slot meter for install ratings. I'm going to give this a 1 out of 7, only because you need socket wrenches, and that's it. So super easy. Literally with the filming, maybe 15 minutes. Super easy, and I'm really impressed with the quality of this product, just with those little details that I talked about, just the rubber coating on the connection points. Yeah, they didn't really skimp on anything. The material is heavy duty, and as I explained, the reason why is I'm trying to maximize as much storage as I can in the Jeep. I have been using this rather large tote in the back to kind of like store a whole bunch of things. Like we have the air fill hose, recovery straps, my winch cable, and a soft shackle, and a bunch of other things. So I'm trying to get rid of this tote. I'm gonna stuff it into there, so that way I can get rid of this tote, and then eventually the goal is to build like a little platform with 2 pull-out drawers, and then we'll probably mount our little mini fridge in the back here just for day trips and overnights. But yeah, so I'm gonna link to the XG CArgo saddlebags. This works for the JK and the new JL, so it works for both models. That's all I got. Hope you like this install video. Please hit the thumbs up button, help our channel grow. And if you're a new viewer here, thanks for watching. And to our old viewers and our old subscribers, thank you again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you click on that bell, it'll notify you when we drop new videos. Yeah, got a bunch more videos in the works, and that's about it. Have a great day. It's Sunday, and I think it's like 38, 40 degrees today, so it's beautiful. All right, till the next video. Thank you.